Hi, welcome to this video. We're gonna learn how to print correctly with Excel. So we're gonna learn like kind of some tricks that you can like perform to print. Okay, so here we have the table. We have this file which is called the request. I already shared this one in the comments or in the information of the video. You will find this one. Okay, so basically you see here like the table, and then you want to print this one. The first trick that I want to like teach you about how to select all these table. So maybe the most intuitive way is just like go here with the mouse and then go down, but it will take forever, right? So there is another trick that you can go with the Control Shift at the same time, keep them pressed, then go to the right, go to the down, and then you automatically will select all the table. So you see here the row 7000. Another way, even faster, you can go here with control star. With the control star, automatically you can get whole table. So then here and the page layout, you can go here and select print area, and you can select set print area. So that could be the way how you can print this one. So afterwards, you can go here to the home, actually file, and then finally go here to the print, and then in this one you will see here how we have just like here until number, and it's something missing, right? So we can go here in no scaling, we can go fit all columns on one page, right? So automatically it will fit. So you will have here all this. Naturally, as the other programs like Word, you can go and change here the margin. So for example, you can go here to the narrow one just to get a little bit more perspective. You can go here to some pages, and then naturally, I guess that it's not common that you need to print that physically, but you can go here and then go and print immediately to the PDF. So let's try here with the PDF, and let's see how it goes. So you go here to this one. So it's like now printing. Let's go here to the downloads. Let's say like print proof, and then save it. Let's see how long it takes. It's going here, printing 133 pages. So naturally, for this reason, this will take a little bit a lot, but it's going. And then in the meantime, I'm taking the advantage, going just like to be ready here, and it gets like it's ready here. Yeah, it's going. Here you go. Okay, so then you can open this one right now. Okay, so let's open this one. Okay, open with, I'm gonna open with Chrome because I don't have the Adobe license. And close it like immediately, and you'll see here how the Excel go with the table that you needed. So like that's a basic tool that maybe in case you need the table into PDF format. Okay, hopefully it works. See you next video. Bye bye.